Think back. Do you remember what it was like to go on an adventure when you were a kid? You were so excited you couldn't sleep the night before, and afterwards you went to bed with a smile on your face and joy in your heart. Our retirement should feel the same. We want to be able to anticipate it. We want to be excited about the prospects. We want to be joy-filled. If you want to make a dent in the universe and make a difference, if you want to build a strong supportive network of friends you can count on to be with you for the long haul, and if you want to be as strong and as able as possible for as long as possible, you are in the right place. Get started with easy tips, 1 to 2 minute thought-provoking ideas or reminders to support your adventure, released twice a week. Easy talks, 5 to 10 minute engaging introductions to a project or idea, released twice a month. Easy tutorials, 20 to 45 minute mini courses that'll help you craft your adventure, released once per month. Check for details using the About tab above. My name is Ed Zinkiewicz. I'll be your host on this adventure. Join me. Click subscribe using the bright red button that looks like this. See you soon. Come often.